Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast that makes you look to energize and refocus you to getting out there and chasing down your dreams and make something big happen for you. Here's your quote for today. If you want to attract happy, positive things, become a happy, positive person. Work from the inside out. People are attracted to the vibe you give off. If you're a happy person, people want to see why, and they want to see that effect on them too. The same can be said if you're unhappy. You will also attract other unhappy people. Become the shining beacon of happiness and positivity, and the rest will follow. Work on you from the inside, and the real you will shine through.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.